Meaning of icon.
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 Icon. The term icon refers to a graphic symbol or representation that is used to denote an object, concept, or action. Icons are widely used in digital user interfaces, where they serve as visual cues for users to quickly understand and interact with functions and features. Typically, icons are stylized and simplified to be easily recognizable and universally understood. As such, they are an important aspect of design and UX, helping users navigate and interact with software applications and websites.